Hey guys, welcome to the 136th C# tutorial that I'm making for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, we're going to continue working on our button control. Now, in the previous tutorial, we made it look as though our button is like a glass effect. Well, the only problem is, since we have a label on there, it cuts out part of that darker gray rectangle at the bottom. So instead of using a label, we're going to actually draw the text onto our form. So let's just go back to our button and delete this label because we're not going to be using it anymore. Alright, so what we're going to do is basically just draw it using the draw string method. So we're just going to have a string up here which will store the string that the user sets as this property's value. So it's going to say string, let's call it text equals nothing, and then we'll return that variable. And then when you set button text equal to something, it will actually be setting this string text equal to something, or equal to that value. Alright, and then the location that we're going to be drawing the string will remain the same as before. So it's going to say point F here. Oops. Point F equals this. I'll just call it F point. And in case you're wondering, the F basically just stands for float, and it's just a different type of point where the two coordinates are floats. And we just need that in order to draw a string. So now we're just going to be using the draw string method, so we're going to say g.drawString. First thing that calls for is the string that we're going to draw. We're going to be drawing this text right up here, so we're just going to say text. And then the font, well, we're going to have to create a new font, so I'll say font. F equals new font. Then we need font family, so we're going to have to go up here and create a font family. Font family, FF equals a new font family. And the name of the font that we're going to be using is just Arial, and you can obviously just change this to anything you want, but I'm just going to use Arial for right now. And now that we have our font family set up, we can pass FF through here, and then the size of the font that we're going to be, or the size that we're going to have our font be, I'll just make it 8, that's like the standard size. Alright, so now that we have our font all set up, we can pass font through our font that we created through our drawString method, so that we have a font to write with. And then the brush that we're going to be using is S, and then the point F, and as you can see it says point F right there, so this does have to be point F. And we'll just pass through our point that we created, so F point. Alright, now the only thing that we have to do is change the color of this brush to black so that we can actually see the text. So we're just going to say S dot color equals color dot black. Alright, and we also have to mess with these values right here. So we're just going to make it text dot length, and same for the height. This isn't perfect, but it'll be close enough. You can always mess with it in the future. So now we build right here. You see, yeah, the text is just a little off center. You can obviously mess with it if you want. So I don't know, if we subtract a few things right here, subtract like 5 and subtract 5 right here. It's not a perfect system, but I don't know, it's better than nothing. You can obviously mess with it on your own. So now we debug here, and you can see, yep, text is good. Now if we go and change the text property to something different, like hello, I am Adam, we should see that on the form, we should see it change. Now we build here to see it. Yep, hello, I am Adam. So yep. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to change the color when you hover over it and stuff like that. So, see you guys.